Can't believe I can't get one person to help me.
Angela Peterson says that before she ever even saw the mold, she could feel it.
I kept getting like kidney infections. I got 2. The first one, I was really sick, but the second one, I knew something was wrong. I told my son, Mom, I'm dying. I know I'm dying.
The first signs of mold happened in July of last year. Since then, it's taken over her Boulder Creek apartment in both the bedrooms, bathrooms, and the living room.
I feel so alone. I want my normal life back.